Good evening, everyone. This is Rekha Sinha, your mathematics tutor on Unacademy. This is Unacademy YouTube channel. Unacademy Plus subscription is the best plan for TS and AP EAMCET. For 12-month plan, the charges are 12,375 rupees. For 6-month plan, the charges are 10,125 rupees. And for 1-month plan, the charges are 2,250 rupees. In Unacademy Plus subscription, you will get structured live courses, dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular interval for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation is running now, test series and mock series. With single subscription, you will get unlimited access. So all these are the benefit that you are getting if you are taking the Plus subscription. So good evening everyone, all my students. We are just solving EAMCET 2020 paper. In my last 2 lectures, I have taken few questions from TS EAMCET, that is on 9th September shift 1. Yeah, this question paper I am solving TS EAMCET 2020 9th September shift 1 paper, and this is the part 3. Today is the part 3, part 1 and part 2 I have already completed. If you have not seen those questions, you can just see the video again. You will get the idea what questions I have solved in part 1 and part 2. So today's first question is, f is a function. So all questions are mixed one, okay? Some limit questions, some coordinate geometry, some trigonometry. So all mixed questions I am taking here. The differentiation, integration, all questions I'm going to cover. But as you know, the time is less. I'm doing little more fast here. So now here f is a function from r plus to r. Be an increasing function such that f of x is greater than 0 for all x. I hope my PDF is readable and I'm also audible to you. If any technical issue you are facing, you can just message me. Okay, so now let me just take this question here. F of x, limit x tends to infinity, we have f of 9x divided by f of 3x equal to 1. This is given. This is given. Then what will be value of limit x tends to infinity f of 6x divided by f of 3x. This value we are supposed to calculate. So options are, first one is 1, second option is 2, third option is 3 by 2 and the fourth option is 2 by 3. These are the 4 options you can see. Now how to solve this kind of question? Here function directly not given, only the name of the function is given. That function is f. And this is the given part. With the help of this given part, I will just try to calculate what will be limit f of 6x divided by f of 3x. And x tends to infinity, obviously. So now let me just take this part and try to get the value. Now here, as it is written in the question, f is an increasing function. So for increasing function, what we can write? F is an increasing function since f is increasing function, so we can say, and here you can just check, we are taking the domain is r plus. R plus means what? Only the positive real numbers we are taking. R plus, the meaning of R plus is. Okay, so f is increasing function. So we can just say x is definitely less than 2x, less than 3x. This I can write as my f is an increasing function. Now after this, if I'm multiplying throughout by 3, suppose, then what I will get? 3x less than 6x less than 9x. And if I'm taking f throughout, what I will get? F of 3x less than f of 6x less than f of 9x. You can observe here I have not put the equal sign. The reason is that because it is an increasing function. That's why equality I'm not putting here. So now after this, what we can say? If I am dividing throughout by f of 3x. Okay, if I am dividing throughout by f of 3x, what I will get? So here I will definitely get this imply. Here this is 1 less than f of 9x divided by f of 3x less than f of 9x divided by, sorry, this is 6. Here it is 6. 6x divided by f of 3x, and here it is f of 9x divided by f of 3x. Now you take limit throughout. So if I'm taking limit x tends to infinity throughout, 1 limit x tends to infinity f of 6x divided by f of 3x less than limit x tends to infinity f of 9x divided by f of 3x. In the question, we have some given thing also that we can use here now. Limit x tends to infinity f of 9x divided by 3x. The value is 1. So I can just write in place of this right hand side quantity, we can just put this is 1 only. It is given in the question. So what I will get if it is 1? So let me just write here only. So this limit here, I'm just saying x tends to infinity 1. We don't have x here. So obviously the value of this part will be 1 only, less than limit x tends to infinity f of 6x divided by f of 3x less than 1. So with the help of this inequality, we can say it is greater than 1 and less than 1 also. This is possible only when my limit x tends to infinity f of 6x divided by f of 3x is equal to 1. So this is only they are asking to calculate in the question. Check it out. F of 6x divided by f of 3x, limit x tends to infinity. So value of this is nothing but 1 only. So first option is the correct one. So if you find any difficulty in any step, you can message me. Okay, in chat box you can write. And if you are getting the process, the method I'm solving in the whatever question I'm solving, if you're really getting, then also you can just send a thumbs up sign also, that so that I will understand, okay, you are getting only. Okay, so first question is clear. Just write yes if you are able to understand the method whatever I have done. Okay, so if you are getting the answers for every question, you just write okay. At least this much you can write. Okay, with your okay, I will understand that you are really getting my solution. Okay, next question. Second question. What is the second question we have? For x not equal to minus 1, y not equal to minus 1, if what you have x equal to 1 minus cube root of y divided by 1 plus cube root of y again, then what is dx by dy value? They are asking. Okay, so good. At least Kavali Ranga is responding. Okay, ma'am. Thank you for your response. And rest all also, please write okay at least. Okay. Okay. So now how to solve this question? X equal to this. And see the options. Here we have option 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 options. And all options you just observe once. All the options are having only x. There is no y in this. You can observe here. All the answers are having only x term. So obviously first I have to express this given thing as y equal to. Then only we can just calculate the dy by dx. First we will calculate and then we will take the reciprocal. The reciprocal will give me dx by dy in terms of x only. So this is the only trick behind this. So if x is this, how to calculate y equal to? We can just say let cube root of y is equal to t. So if I am saying this as t, what will be this? X equal to 1 minus t, 1 plus t. Why I have written? Just to calculate what is t equal to from this equation. So if I am solving this further, I'll get x 1 plus t equal to 1 minus t. So from here, if I'll multiply x plus xt is equal to 1 minus t. So from here, I want to find in terms of t. So t term xt plus t is equal to 1 minus x. This is plus and this is t. Okay, don't get confused. So here I can take t common. I'll get x plus 1 equal to 1 minus x. So from here I can say t is nothing but 1 minus x, 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x. Now t is nothing but cube root of y. T is nothing but cube root of y. Cube root of y means y power 1 by 3. This is your t value. Okay. So now after this, if I am taking cube on both sides, I'll get y equal to 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole cube. Now I got y in terms of x. Now we can just use the differentiation and we can differentiate this. So if I am calculating dy by dx, okay, with respect to x. So first I'll use the formula x power n differentiation. What is the formula for x power n? It is n x power n minus 1. So this complete inside thing you can imagine as capital X. So this is 3 capital X power. So I will not write capital X. I will write the term only 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. 3 minus 1, that is 2, into chain rule we have to apply. Now I will differentiate the 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x with the help of UV rule. What is UV rule? U by V rule, I should say. Quotient rule. Quotient rule is what? You keep, okay, let me just write. This is the numerator term will be your U and the denominator term will be V. So we can just write V square V into U dash minus U as it is V dash. This is the rule I have written here. Now I will apply the rule here. So what I am getting? 3 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole square. What is here V? V is nothing but 1 plus x. So let me write 1 plus x whole square. And what is your U? U dash. U dash is nothing but 1 minus U. If I am differentiating 1 minus x, what will be differentiation? Minus 1, because differentiation of 1 will be 0 and minus 1 I'll get. So minus 1 I can put here. Then minus sign U as it is. So 1 minus x as it is. And differentiation of V. V is nothing but 1 plus x. What is the differentiation of 1 plus x? 0 plus 1, that is 1. So just solve this, you will get your answer. So this is nothing but, let me just rewrite write down this one again. So 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole square into, what I am getting here, if I'll open the bracket, 1 minus sign multiply, so minus 1 minus x minus 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x whole square. So this is getting cancelled. From here I am getting minus 2. Minus 2 and this 3. That is nothing but minus 6. And yeah, nothing is getting cancelled. So 1 minus x whole square divided by, here 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x whole square. So I can just write 1 plus x whole 4. This is dy by dx. Remember, they have asked what is dx by dy. So reciprocal of this will be your dx by dy. So we can check the answer now. Reciprocal you are supposed to take. So what is the reciprocal will be? Let me just show you the answer. Yeah. So obviously the reciprocal will be, minus sign will be as it is, 1 plus x whole power 4 divided by 6 1 minus x whole square. The second one. This will be the reciprocal. Okay. Understand this one? So dx by dy is nothing but reciprocal minus 1 plus x whole power 4 divided by 6 1 minus x whole square. Yes, okay for this or not? Understand? Everyone? So whenever you got any question of this kind, you should check the options also. Option is in which term, whether it is in x or having y also, or only x. That's why I got the idea that I should convert this given equation in like terms of y equal to. Then only I should differentiate. So I hope differentiation, everybody knowing how to do the differentiation. Okay. So, okay for this question or not? Understand? Okay. Very good. So now next question. This is the third question. Here we have two statements. One is assertion A and the reason also. Both thing is given here. So they are asking, some options are there. I will just read. So here, what is the assertion? Assertion is for x less than 0, d2 by dx square of log mod x is equal to 1 by mod x square. The reason they have written in this way, for x less than 0, mod x equal to minus x. This is correct only. The statement is correct. But what is the option we have to check now? A is true, R is true, and R is the correct explanation of 2A. A is true, R is true, but R is not a correct explanation to A. Third option, A is true, R is false. And the fourth option, A is false and R is true. So now you can also try. You know what is in differentiation and all, right? So you can just give me the conclusion for this particular question. So according to you, what will be the answer? Okay. So as you people are not trying, let me just try. Obviously, the reason, the second statement is true. Mod x is equal to minus x if x is less than 0. This is correct statement. But whether this is the correct statement or not, that we should check now. So what I am going to check here first. Let me write somewhere. Yeah, here I am writing d2 by dx square for log mod x. What is the meaning of d2 by dx square? Means 2 times I am differentiating. This is called successive differentiation. If one time I am differentiating, that is represented by d by dx. If 2 times I am differentiating, it is d2 by dx square. So this can be easily written as d by dx of d by dx for log. Here in place of mod x, I can just write minus x. Why I can write minus x? Because it is given in the question that x is less than 0. So mod x is nothing but minus x only. Right? So with the help of this, we can just write in this way. Now d by dx of, again, if I am differentiating log minus x. So obviously log differentiation formula, you should remember that differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Right? So with the help of that, I can just write 1 by minus x, because in place of x, we have minus x. Into chain rule we have to apply. We have to differentiate the minus x now. Minus x differentiation is minus 1 only, because differentiation of x is just 1 and differentiation of minus x will be minus 1. Okay. So what I am getting, let me write d by dx of, so here both minus minus, so I can just write this is 1 by x. And if I am differentiating 1 by x, again I can use the formula x power n formula. Differentiation of x power n is nothing but n x power n minus 1. Here 1 by x we can easily write x power minus half. So this will be nothing but minus 1 x power minus 1 minus 1. So how much it is coming? This is coming as minus 1 by x square. Okay. But what they have given? They have given the value for this differentiation is 1 by mod x square. So mod x, if I'll calculate, okay, it is coming minus 1, minus x. But if I'm squaring it, okay, Let me just calculate. This is my left hand side, okay? This is your left hand side that we have just now calculated. So left hand side is coming minus 1 by x square. And if I am calculating right hand side, which is 1 by mod x square. So mod x will definitely come minus x only, as my x is less than 0. But when I am squaring it, I'll get 1 by x square. So you can see left hand side not equal to right hand side. So if it is not equal, we can just say my first statement is not true. A is not true. R is true definitely, but A is not true. So which is the statement which is giving me this value? So A is true, A is false, R is true. This is the correct one. Okay, because we have seen just now that left hand side and right hand side is not equal for assertion. Reason is very much simple. It is true only. Just to see, we can say it is true. So which option will be the correct one? The fourth option. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes, okay? Okay or not? I am expecting one more okay from you people. So in this way, we can just solve this question. Check the whole calculation I have done. So actually this is a half an hour class only, so we are not getting enough time to complete more questions. But if you are taking the plus subscription, definitely you will see all the questions answer we are solving in plus classes. So that is the reason I am asking everyone to take the plus subscription. Okay. So just try to think about it. If you are writing the exam in 2021, Unacademy you should join so that your preparation will be complete. Complete preparation. Okay. Here we are not getting enough time. You can just see only how every question is taking 5 to 10 minutes. Yes. So my suggestion, you take subscription, use the code REKHALIVE to take 10% discount also. And if you are taking one subscription, you will get unlimited access. It's not that you are going to attend my classes only. All other physics, chemistry, biology, all the topic they are covering, all the classes are running by all the different educator. So you can just plan accordingly. Okay, my special classes also I am taking in Unacademy. That is, you can also watch if you have not taken the subscription. Today afternoon also I have solved some of the questions. Okay, in my special class, and that was 1 hour class. You can just check my special class also. Okay, Kavali Ranga. So just see my special class videos also. In that also I am solving this paper only, 2020 EAMCET paper. So see you next time. In next time also I am going to take more questions from the same question paper. So thank you very much for attending my class. See you next time. Thank you.